I can't believe I'm using my natural hair for my birthday picture photo shoots. Oh my goodness. Come with me as we do this together. So, first of January was my birthday, and I decided that I was going to DIY my birthday hair. I wanted to DIY everything from birthday hair to photo shots. Yes, I was thinking, and I have been thinking of actually balding my hair, but I was like, okay, let me use this hair and make good use of it. So this is me trying to come up with multiple hairstyles for my photo shoot. And can you imagine? Guess who was my photographer? Guess who was my photographer? I'm gonna tell you guys this at the end. So I tried numerous hairstyles with my 4C hair. I even went live on that day. You're gonna see the video if you actually flip through my playlist. Okay, so first, this was what I did. Try to moisturize my hair, deep condition, moisturize, and yes guys, I even caught a cold on that day, because I actually spent so much time, extra time on my hair. So it was too wet, coupled with the winter, the weather, and you know what it is. So I actually dipped and conditioned my hair with L'Oreal products and also some Chinese conditioners, So I had to put in the leave-in conditioner, and I used gel, and this is me using the thread. You need this thread in order to actually come up with numerous hairstyles on your hair. And I was trying to come up with a pony, so I brushed the back, making sure everything was just set, cool, and really, really great. So that's me. I didn't know how the back turned out to look like, but follow the process is gonna lead you to Jericho. So I went ahead to brush the back. You must be really, really gentle and really smooth with that back, because if you do not do well at the back, then trust me, the front is not gonna do good. So I wanted to part the front. I wanted a middle line, just to see how it looked like. Actually, this was inspired by me. I didn't copy it from anyone. So please just watch the process and tell me what you think about the styles here. I wasn't able to actually record everything that I had through live, but I was able to put in the little I could here. So that's a leave-in conditioner that I put on my hair. It's a Chinese product, and it really renders your hair soft. It's not easy to find kind of hair products here, but which makes me turn out to use Chinese products a lot. So anyone I see, I feel like, okay, this is gonna be good, and I'm gonna try it on my strong naughty hair. And so that's me coming up with the first. So I pulled up all my hair to the back. I wanted to come up with a pony that was really slanting right down. I didn't want to go right to the top of my hair. So it actually turned out to be this way. Please keep watching to see what came out to be. It actually turned out to be pretty pretty, and as much as I really wanted. So I needed to brush. You need to brush if you're having a 4C hair like mine. So I actually had to tie it with nylon. So normally you need to tie your hair like this with a nylon cloth and sleep overnight. Okay, tie it with satin. All right, so this is me using a pony. I'm trying to come up with a pony. I'm trying to make a pony out of this afro curl. Okay, I'm trying to make up a pony out of this afro curl. So people actually use these to braid their hair, but I decided to try this out as my pony. All right, and please tell me how you see it. Rate it. Was it beautiful enough? I actually wanted it to be really longer, but it didn't turn out to be so long. But then it was okay. It was pretty much okay for this look. Take a look. Tell me how it looks like. Just rate it with your battery, and that's it. So let's move on to the second style. Yes, let's move on to the second style. Yeah, I wanted to come up with this afro. Yeah, some of my fans suggested that I come up with an afro look just like this. Yeah, the front hair is not fronting, so yeah, it turned out to be what it was. So that was the second one, and then this is the third one, trying to push everything to the back and make an afro ponytail. And guys, rate this. It wasn't easy bringing my hair to the back. I was really feeling exhausted already. My hands were not just giving me everything that I was supposed to give, but then I managed, and yeah, that's the other style. And so this is it. You can actually come up with this or go out with this, but trust me, I didn't really love the back, but I had to move. I had to keep moving. So because I didn't love the back, I had to add this pony at the back. So just take a look and tell me, rate it and tell me what you think. So that's how it turned out to be. And with this pony, I believe every woman should have this pony. It's really a quick kind of a thing. And the next was this. I have never tried this on my hair. I actually felt like a baby doll after finishing this, and then my hair actually curled at the front. I didn't expect my hair to curl. I mean, the curls were so lovely. I was like, okay, if I spend out time to actually roll or twist my hair like this, then it's definitely gonna curl up everything. But hey girl, it's a hell time investing, okay? And I don't really want to do it that much, okay? So this is how this one, actually this was one of my favorites. It was actually one of my favorites because I look like a baby doll here. I actually look like a baby doll here. After this, it was giving me this doll look, it was giving me this teddy bear look, and I actually loved it. I loved it. And just tell me what you think. Do you think it was good enough for my face? If you think that you love this, then please comment down below and tell me what you think about this look. And if you really think that it looked good on me, then I'm gonna do it again and make sure I shoot a video with it. So please comment down below. So guys, this is how it looks like. This was the final look, and I had to untwist it, comb it. You could as well not untwist it, all right? I just wanted to see how my face was going to turn out to be in this style, and I loved it. I think it was great. What do you think? Just let me know down below. It was awesome for me, and I felt like, oof, a little baby doll. And that's it, and that's how it turned out to be. So please, if you like this video, please comment down below and tell me your favorite hairstyle among this. Are you gonna try this out? Just let me know down the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you still waiting for? Please to go ahead, subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and join me live as I go on live every after one day. Okay, so please be the first to comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see you down the comment section. And this was how I wrapped up my birthday picture shoots. I mean, this hair was fabulous. I later on went ahead to do one ponytail just like you see here. So please tell me what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Happy New Year.